Hey guys, do you remember MTV Cribs? Well, today I'm going to take you on a tour of my crib, and the M today is going to stand for Manitouwadge. So let's go. Right now, I am standing in my newly renovated mudroom. Put some new hooks up there, some new paneling, new bench, new flooring, painted the panels. I think it's a nice grand space before you enter the interior. Let's go inside. Here, you'll enter and there'll be beautiful open space living room. Used to be really ugly window coverings, and these are replaced with these are like IKEA. So cheap. Over here, I repainted this cabinet unit. Used to be this, ugly old brown. Also updated these beautiful hardware, which I got from Amazon. And then up here,
nobody's gonna know.
Entering in the kitchen. Nice, beautiful open space. Refinished the cabinets. Got some new hardware, also from Amazon. New appliances, so these are all new. It wouldn't be a Cribs episode if you don't see what's in my fridge. So what's up here? We got a pizza and some chicken fingers. Oh God, what's in here? Okay, so we got some sauces, got some water bottles, some butter, and I have some salsa and I guess a coffee and some bread. Yeah, living large here in the north. Here is where I do my work and where I eat. I like to call this a, multifunctional room. Out here is another patio. Go outside. I painted it black so it's nice and, slick, but you can't tell because that's like 3 feet of snow, which I will not shovel. Now we'll enter into the, what would this be called? The West Wing. So this room was completely done. Now going into the laundry room. So this was really retro and I just spiced it up. Painted everything white, but I also added in that blue from the mudroom in here and updated the hardware. My room, which we will not be going in. Here is another bathroom, just fresh paint. And now, my piece de la resistance, the main bedroom. So much space. You can have a beautiful view of the garage, which is, like 8 feet of snow out there. And this piece, which I love, this is like a cute little makeup room. Into my little ensuite, which can you believe it took like 5 people to renovate this. That concludes my Manitouwadge MTV Cribs.